come off. Camera, board, extra parts here and there. Now what we're trying to do is access the actual front glass. So in order to do that, there's still some more screws we have to undo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws that will come off. The difficult part about the iPhone 4 repairs is the screen, the actual LCD, and the glass come attached. So there's no way of replacing one without replacing the other. And unfortunately, that's why the cost is a little bit higher than other iPhones. Again, I will emphasize on the point where you shouldn't unscrew things too quickly. Take your time, make sure the prongs are in there perfectly, otherwise if the screw flattens out, there's no way that you can access the bottom. In fact, there's no way the screw will ever come off again.
Background music, please.
Background music, please.
Just call 1-800-913-2931.
Now once the screws have come off, you need to again use your putty knife. Access the glass very gently through either one of the loose sides or the top. And as you can see, he's not putting too much pressure, just enough so that it snaps off. Make sure when you're snapping it off, none of the circuits break or it doesn't pull off entirely. Use your other hand to support the top so that when it's coming off, it doesn't flick off and just get thrown out of control. One main thing to focus on is the home button. Make sure you don't pop off the home button. It needs to stay in place. Again, that's a whole different repair. If that comes off, and there you have it, the iPhone in all its glory. As you saw here, the LCD and the screen are attached. There's no way of actually getting one off without taking the other off. Luckily, this person put a screen protector on, so none of the glass gets into our hands. Thank you, whoever broke the glass.